Hey guys, and welcome to my Patreon. I am super excited that you guys came to see me over here on Patreon. Welcome to my studio. In case you guys are new around here, my name is Danielle from Creative Color. And thank you so much for considering supporting my channel. I love you guys. Now, let's get down to it. Over here on Patreon. Yes, I'm going to be offering you guys exclusive content. I have 4 different tiers available. Number 1, tier 1 is all about my traceables and my reference photos. You will have access to those for just $1 per month. Yes, and yes. Like, who doesn't love that? $1 per month. Now, everybody knows that artists all around the world definitely utilize all sorts of reference photos because reference photos are very important, that you get your anatomy down and your accuracy and things like that, and I definitely want to be able to provide those things for you guys. So that is definitely my goal. I believe on my channel, and I believe in life period, that when you find your purpose, you find your passion, pretty much. And my goal here is to help you guys find your purpose through the world of art. I'm here to just guide you along the little trail of artists, right? And as you can see, as you enter into my Patreon, you will see my introduction, my little logo at the top, right? And you have access to all 4 tiers, depending on the tier that you decide to choose from, which is tier 1, which you talked about all the reference photos, the traceables. You have early access to every tutorial that I do on my YouTube before everybody else has access to it, as well as color mixing and palette, depending on the tier that you decide to do. I have tiers ranging from $5 a month all the way up into $100 a month. $100 a month is the ultimate package for that ultimate power punch when you're trying to get everywhere that you need to go, including live art coaching, you guys. I just added that to the roster, live art coaching, where I'll be doing lives and talking to you all about your art needs and your art goals. I will be critiquing some of your paintings that you submit. We will be talking about what your palette is, what your dreams are, your goals are, and all of those things. Plus art challenges and oil painting tutorials. Those things will only be available on my Patreon. Those will not be offered on my YouTube, you guys. That is super awesome. So you guys can actually just look around and decide what is going to be good for your life, your schedule, and don't forget about entering into the poll, the latest poll that I have going on. Okay, bye.